everybody, my name is Deme and this is my sister Issa. She's drinking milk. So today we're gonna open this slime. It's transparent, so they have some unicorn glitter at the bottom. So let's start opening it. So stop it. Let's click it. There's my fingerprint right there.
I want to try.
Okay. So nice. I like the color of it because it's clear. Like when you put it like somewhere like it's light, it will like become like transparent. Like you can see all the rainbow colors like that. My sister's just really excited. Stop it, Issa.
Can you come closer?
Okay. It's really nice because it's clicky. That piggy go away.
Move forward.
Okay, it's coming out. Move forward, miss. I like it. Oh my, what is this? This is a dry slime. I don't like this one. Put it there. Wow, I like this slime. It's really squishy too. Ooh, there's more white slime. The white slime are dry. Look, when I squeeze it, there's nothing happening. So I'm gonna put it on the table. It's quite stretchy though. I like it. I like all the glitter that they have. Every time my sister likes to leave the unicorn here. I don't like this unicorn.
Aww.
It's really clicky.
Mommy, to throw my unicorn.
Very clicky. I like it because it's big. Look how stretchy it is. Look. So I'm giving this like a 10 out of 10. Now, slime test. First is the swirl. I'm gonna break a piece. It's too big. I'm gonna squash it down. I'm gonna do like this, like 1, 2, 3 to do a slime. My sister likes to throw things when I open. So now I'm gonna swirl it on the floor. There! Slime swirl! Wow, it's really squishy too. Now let's do the click test. Ooh, this is way better. This is one of my best slime ever in my collection because I like it. It's really soft too. The smell. Smells like strawberry scented.
I'm smelling.
Stop it. My sister every time smells something she'll like that. Next, bubble test. Squish it down. Squish it down for the bubble test. So I'm gonna pull this way. Sit down. She likes to throw stuff. Bubble. Yay! This is a 10 out of 10. Do they have bubble pops?
Are you sure it's 10 out of 10?
Yes, it is.
Maybe you can do maybe 7 out of 10?
No, it's really nice. Look at those bubbles. Look at those clicks. I like
Okay. Is that all?
It's really nice. Look at those glitter, like making like hello.
So where did you buy it?
I buy it from
From a
this
shop.
was although this was only $3.
You bought from a shop?
Yes. Really squishy though. Okay.
Okay.
So well guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button below. So if you like this video, bye!